Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's so wonderful to have you here with me today. Are you looking for a way to stay active, improve your mobility, and feel stronger? All from the comfort of your own home? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through a fantastic, gentle, full-body exercise routine designed specifically for seniors. The best part, all you need is yourself and a sturdy chair. This workout is perfect for boosting your energy, improving balance, and keeping your joints healthy. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or have been exercising for years. These moves can be adapted for everyone. So, grab a comfortable chair, make sure it's on a stable surface, and let's get ready to move and feel great together. First, let's start with a nice, gentle warm-up to get our bodies ready. Sit tall in your chair, with your feet flat on the floor and your back straight but relaxed. We'll begin with some simple neck stretches. Slowly and gently, tilt your head to the right, as if you're trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. You should feel a light stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold it here for a few seconds. Now, slowly bring your head back to the center and repeat on the other side, tilting your head to the left. Remember to breathe deeply and never force a stretch. Great. Now, let's do some shoulder rolls. Inhale and lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Then exhale as you roll them back and down. Let's do that a few more times. Up, back, and down. This is wonderful for releasing any tension you might be holding in your upper back and shoulders. Now, let's get our arms involved. Extend both arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height. We're going to make gentle fists and then open our hands wide, stretching the fingers. Close them into a fist and open wide. This is excellent for circulation in your hands. Now, with your arms still extended, let's do some wrist circles. Slowly rotate your wrists clockwise a few times, then switch and rotate them counterclockwise. Perfect. Next, let's wake up the spine with some seated Place your hands on your knees. As you inhale, gently arch your back, lift your chest, and look slightly upward. This is our cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and look toward your belly. This is our cat pose. Let's flow between these two a few times. Inhale to arch, exhale to round. This is a beautiful way to improve spinal flexibility. Alright, our upper body is feeling warm. Let's move on to the lower body. While still seated, we'll start with some simple ankle circles. Lift your right foot just a few inches off the floor and slowly rotate your ankle in one direction. Imagine you're drawing a circle with your big toe. Now, circle it in the opposite direction. Great job. Let's switch legs. Lift your left foot and do the same thing. Gentle circles one way and then the other. This simple movement is so important for maintaining ankle mobility and balance. Now, let's do some leg extensions. Sit tall and hold on to the sides of the chair for support if you need to. Extend your right leg straight out in front of you, squeezing the muscles in your thigh. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower it back down. Let's do the other side. Extend the left leg, hold, and lower. We'll repeat this a few times on each side. Feel that gentle activation in your quadriceps. This is a great way to build leg strength without any impact on your knees. Now, we're going to stand up for a few exercises, using the chair for balance and support. Please, make sure your chair is stable and won't slide. Stand behind it, placing your hands lightly on the back of the chair. First, we'll do some calf raises. Rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground. Hold for a second at the top, feeling the engagement in your calf muscles, and then slowly lower your heels back down. Let's do a set of these together. Up and down. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your lower legs and improving your balance. Don't worry if you wobble a bit. That's what the chair is for. Just focus on slow, controlled movements. Next up, we have some modified squats. These are essential for building strength in your legs and glutes, which helps with everyday activities like getting up from a chair. Standing behind your chair and holding on for support, position your feet about shoulder width apart. Now, slowly bend your knees and send your hips back, as if you're about to sit down in a chair behind you. Only go as low as feels comfortable for you. Your knees should track over your feet. Then, press through your heels to stand back up tall. Let's do a few more. Down and back up. Remember to keep your chest lifted and your back straight. These chair-assisted squats are a safe and effective way to maintain lower body strength. Let's do one more standing exercise. Side leg raises. This is excellent for your hip muscles and stability. Stand to the side of your chair, holding on with one hand for support. Shift your weight onto the leg, closer to the chair. Now, slowly lift your outer leg straight out to the side. Only lift it as high as you can without leaning your torso. The movement should come from your hip. Hold for a moment, and then slowly lower the leg back down with control. Let us do several on this side before we carefully turn around and switch to the other leg. This exercise is so important for strengthening the muscles that help us walk and prevent falls. You're doing wonderfully. Okay, let's return to our seated position for our cool down. We've worked our whole body, and now it's time to stretch and relax. Sit tall in your chair once more. We'll start with a seated figure 4 stretch for our hips. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. If this is enough of a stretch, stay right here. If you'd like a little more, you can gently press down on your right knee or lean your torso forward slightly. You should feel a nice stretch in your right hip and glute. Breathe into it. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now, let's slowly release and switch sides, crossing the left ankle over the right knee. Remember to listen to your body and never push into pain. These stretches are vital for maintaining flexibility. Finally, let's finish with a full body stretch and some deep breathing. Uncross your legs and place your feet flat on the floor. On your next inhale, reach both arms up towards the ceiling, stretching your entire body from your fingertips to your toes. Feel that length in your spine. As you exhale, slowly lower your arms back down to your sides. Let's do that one more time. A big inhale, reach up, feel energized and refreshed. And a slow exhale, releasing everything down. Take a moment here. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Notice how your body feels. Hopefully, you feel more awake, more mobile, and proud of the work you've done today. Thank you so much for joining me for this gentle, full body chair workout. You did an amazing job. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate gentle movement like this into your routine a few times a week. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more senior-friendly fitness routines. I love reading your comments, so let me know how you felt after this workout. Until next time, take care, stay active, and be well. Bye for now.